Best Books Club presents Summary of the book. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Opening shot of the book cover with the author's name. Have you ever struggled to form a new habit or break a bad one? In Atomic Habits, author James Clear offers a powerful framework for creating lasting behavior change. 1. Let's take a closer look. Cut to an animated summary of the book's key concepts, with supporting visuals and text on screen. The book introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, starting with making habits obvious. This means creating clear cues or triggers for a new habit, like leaving your workout clothes by the bed to remind you to exercise in the morning. Cut to examples of this concept in action, with tips for implementing it in daily life. Another key law is making habits attractive by linking them to a positive emotion or outcome. For example, if you associate reading with relaxation or enjoyment, you're more likely to make it a daily habit. Cut to visual examples of this concept, such as creating a cozy reading nook or setting aside a specific time for reading each night. The book also covers making habits easy by breaking them down into small, manageable steps and making them satisfying by rewarding yourself for sticking to them. By following these 4 laws, Clear argues, you can create a system of habits that increase your chances of success. Cut to a summary of additional key ideas from the book, such as how to overcome common obstacles to habit formation, like lack of motivation or willpower, as well as the role of identity in shaping our behavior. Overall, Atomic Habits offers a practical and science-based approach to habit formation that can benefit anyone, from athletes and entrepreneurs, to students and parents. With its clear, concise writing style and engaging examples, it's a must-read for anyone looking to make positive changes in their life. Closing shot of the book cover with a call to action for viewers to check out the book. Thanks for watching and hearing this summary of Atomic Habits. If you found this helpful, be sure to pick up a copy of the book and start creating your own atomic habits today. By James Clear. Kindly comment, share, like, and subscribe the channel. Best Books Club.